Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Kia Rio key fob. First, ensure you have all necessary items, including your new key fob and all existing working keys. The process typically involves a sequence of turning the ignition and pressing buttons on the fob. This guide will walk you through each step, making the programming straightforward. We'll cover everything from preparation to final testing, ensuring your new fob works perfectly. Before starting, gather all key fobs you wish to program, both new and old. It's crucial to have a fully charged car battery to avoid interruptions during the programming sequence. Some Kia Rio models might require a dealership or specialized equipment for programming, so verify your model's compatibility first. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and successful programming experience.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable advice. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's dive into the programming sequence. Insert an already programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately turn it off. Remove the key. Within 10 seconds, insert your new, unprogrammed key and repeat the on-off sequence. You might hear a chime or see a light flash, indicating successful programming. Repeat for any additional new fobs. After programming, test each key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your Kia Rio correctly. If a fob isn't working, first check its battery. Then, carefully repeat the entire programming sequence, paying close attention to the timing. Sometimes, a slight delay can disrupt the process. Your owner's manual also provides specific instructions for your vehicle model, which can be very helpful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.